Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins for another episode where we're going to talk about Shiba Inu that has gone absolutely crazy in the last 24 hours. I was lucky enough to buy it for the first time around here, and I was kind of swinging it, selling a little here, buying a little here, selling a little here, buying a little here, and then boom, went up to there. And I've been selling a little here and then buying a little bit here. Now, I will admit I didn't make a ton of money off this because I didn't know too much about it. But boy, am I happy. 55% gains in just a few hours. Now, if you look at the news here, it is up 55%. And this is old. It is no longer at 1312. It is at like 1600 right now. And, they're saying it's a lot about the Elon Musk tweet with the puppy, which this is the tweet right now, as you may know. But I think a little bit more of it is, that has a lot to do with it is probably going to be on Robinhood soon. And if it goes to Robinhood, it may soar even more. When it got to Coinbase, it didn't really do that. It didn't have that Coinbase effect that it usually does. And it was kind of just lollygagging a little bit. And then, between the Robinhood news and the Elon tweet, everybody was sitting there watching it. It's very popular. Everyone's talking about it. If you just Google like top 10 most talked about cryptos right now, it's probably in the top 3. Maybe Dogecoin is the only one talked about more. So, it just popped there. Who knows what it's going to do? This is kind of crazy. Now, we all know that for it to reach its all-time high, it's going to go at least another 5x. So that could happen. I am very big on technical analysis, but when it comes to Shiba, it's not really the same thing. Like anything could happen. There's kind of just this, everybody's hopping on it. And when that happens, it could run parabolic for a while. So, that's just a quick video. I just wanted to let everybody know what's going on right now, because a lot of people are like, why is this going up so fast? And I sold a little bit. I sold like 20% of what I had around here, but I'm not going to sell the rest because it could go to 2,000 or 3,000 really soon. So you make sure you like this video and subscribe. I'm going to be talking a lot about crypto, especially now, because boy, things are hot. And I think we're going to be heated up for a nice bull market for the next few months. So that's all I got to say, and hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.